And now it's time for Vantage shots, images that tell the story. Lightning strikes Mecca's Clock Tower, creating a dramatic effect in Saudi Arabia. The Chinese space station reveals a spectacular view of the Earth. And the Mexican Navy seizes over 7 tons of drugs in a high-speed Pacific chase. Finally, we're taking you back in history. On this day in 1963, Martin Luther King Jr. gave his iconic speech, "I Have a Dream." He was one of the most prominent leaders of the civil rights movement in the United States. In the speech, he said he imagined a future without racism. We're leaving you on that note. Thank you for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
Demonstrations where there is a real compliance with the 1964 bill and with the
Across continents, one powerful news source.
Bringing you diverse perspectives on the issues that matter.
We go beyond the boundaries to give you that little extra about every sporting moment.
So thank you for making Firstpost 5 million strong. We're counting on your support, and you can trust us to bring you the news unfiltered and unvarnished.
Climate change is on our doorstep. It's time for a revolution to take root. And it starts with 1.4 billion Indians. It starts with one tree for humanity, one tree for Mother Earth, one tree for a future. Project One Tree, a News 18 network initiative.